It's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am back with another video. Today's video is super adventurous, guys. Super legendary. Yes, I said super legendary. So get ready for this video, guys. Get ready. Do whatever you got to do. Get your popcorn, get your soda. You hear the noise in the background? Yeah, we about to get there, guys. But we gonna get there right after this dope intro. Stay tuned.
Like ice. I know that I'm just from showing off. I was just from.
Yeah, it's your boy Blackie Stone. Welcome back, gang. I appreciate you coming back to the video on this super exciting day, super adventurous day for myself. We're gonna have a lot of fun. It's not gonna be long, it's gonna be short, but we're gonna have a lot of fun, most certainly. I'm glad you're able to come with me on this small journey, and I promise to give you some real nice eye candy. With that being said, guys, let's go get this adventure. Let's go get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Made it, y'all. I made it. I made it.
Just stand back and I wait to see what the wall gonna look like. See what kind of color Suge's gonna put on there now.
Food was great, guys. It was so good, so good. Very impressed with the breakfast spot that we found. But and we're back at it, guys. Back at it with my favorite places. You hear that thing in the background? You hear that background noise? Yeah, we're here. Great South Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Great South Harley-Davidson motorcycles. I am so excited to be here. Had to make this visit. You can see some of these bikes in the background. Let's go inside. Good, and yourself? How you doing? That's what she said, yeah. How you doing?
Well, you guys make yourself at home. Got some inventory, a lot of pre-owned in here. Got some few new ones. So
Okay.
clothes, apparel, you got any questions, just ask.
Okay, yeah, I appreciate it. Yep. Yeah, I drive a Softail Breakout, 2014. I got it road ready, but you know how it is.
There's always more you want to add to it.
It's always more that you want.
Yeah, it's a want, not a need.
The street glide and the road glide is my want right now.
But keep the Breakout though. You gotta have that power hopper to go with it.
I gotta have the
it thunder
Breakout.
and lightning, you know?
Exactly. This is what I was trying to explain to her.
Yeah.
I appreciate your time, man. I've always admired the large bike, as far as the road glide, and the street glide, yeah, the bagger
You
glide.
do so much with them too. I mean,
Yeah.
You know, you can really give them a sportier look to it, customize them, make them personal. So you don't really have to have that big old cumbersome
Yeah,
look, you
but
can
I
still do
appreciate that because
Cadillac ride.
if you've been on the road long enough, as opposed to someone that's going to take this bike to a show and make it a show bike.
Right, put a 26 on the front, you lose the rideability of it. They
You
look
lose
great,
a
but
lot.
you're not going to get that turning and that. You're not
Exactly.
going to get on the ridge and do twisties and all that kind of stuff with it.
And when you think about it, how many people do it right as far as the rake? You know, that rake has to be modified.
You got to change the kickstand, or else you're going to be that's a lot. Of
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of money that you can put in these bikes. Once I do get one, I'm gonna keep it basic. I got a 21 on my Breakout.
Yeah, but that's different on the Breakout.
It's
a
different.
bike. Right.
The frame is different.
Right.
Suspension is different. I love my bike. I love the way it sounds. I got some, what is it, Bassani? Bassani pipes on
two and a
there.
one?
Race 2 and a 2.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 and a 2. So they're real nice. I get an 8 S&S cleaner, 2. But I love my bike. It's just I'm not ready yet. But when I do get ready, watch out, road. Watch out. It's a lot of time that needs to be spent on a bike. Personally, these are my feelings. A lot of time has to be spent on your bike in order to get your money's worth.
I mean, to an extent, depending on how much you're putting into it, you know, I mean, you want to personalize it. You can, on average, $4,000 to $5,000, you can do a lot into it without breaking the bank and putting too much where you don't get it back out in return.
True.
Anything over than that is a bike you're going to have to sit on for at least 10 years to really get that value out of it.
Yeah. And then living in Ohio.
The riding conditions and time is less too.
Exactly. So I'm like,
Here we can ride 12 months out of the year, all year long.
oh yeah?
You can ride all year long down here.
See,
I
that's
mean, you just gotta have
beautiful, man.
cold weather. I mean, yeah, January it gets cold. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, most of the time people get heated grips or gloves, that kind of stuff. You know, if you want them, but bundle up and you're fine.
Yeah.
But you got 8 to 9 solid months of ride.
See, that's beautiful. I would love to live in a state like that, like this. Now, I was looking at I was considering buying a, what is it, Ultra. That comes stock with heated grips,
Yeah, the new
cruise control.
The Road Glider Limited or the regular Ultra Limited. Cruise control, ABS, security, RDRS, traction control, heated grips, Daymaker headlights, 114 motor, all standard.
114.
Yep.
Are you sold on the 114?
That new Mark is pretty nice. It really is. I still ride an 88 twin cam, so you know. But I do wish I had an extra 6-speed transmission, which is nice.
Yeah.
And a bigger gas tank.
And the bigger gas tank. So what's the gas tank now? Standard 6
On the twin. Yeah.
as opposed to 4.5. Yeah. I think I have
You got a 4.5.
I got a 4.5. And that was another thing that I was trying to consider as far as my distance between fill-ups. It's just, I don't know. I know the gas
It gives you
mileage.
time to get off and stretch around. And
Yeah. So on a full tank of gas, I can,
200 miles plus, something like it should be.
well, I'm only getting like 165 on the
Did you have your
gas.
bike tuned with the exhaust and everything?
I thought I did.
Okay. But you should be getting on a 4.5 gallon gas tank, depending on how heavy you are on the throttle.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's one thing. But you should be getting at least 200 miles in a full tank.
So I have a Advanced and Hines tuner pack. Now, I'm not sure if that's a custom or is that automated.
You might go to where you reserve, even though you have reserve because it's fuel injection, but when your gas light comes on, you probably have another quarter tank of gas left. You're probably topping off before, so you technically could get more gas, but you're maybe going right to your gas light coming on. Or
Okay. Yeah.
If you had to push it. But
yeah.
Don't recommend that, obviously.
Exactly. On
because you don't have the reserve where all of a sudden, oh, I'm out of gas, you're out of gas. Where an old carburetor bike, you start popping and puttering. Oh,
yeah.
hit the switch, you got another, 10 miles, you're good.
Yeah.
Not so much on a fuel injection bike. You're out of gas, you SOS.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Out of luck.
Yep.
Exactly. I've had that happen to me. My very first bike was a VT 1100, a Honda.
Honda, yep.
And I was so proud of that bike, and she loved that bike because it had I had a big Mustang seat in the back with the sissy bar. She just sit back on that thing. But when I had let's put it like this, when I had my Breakout delivered to my house, because I took the Breakout on trade on my Honda, and the guy that picked it up was like, man, it looks like a Harley. I looked at him, I said, but it's not.
It's a Harley Davidson.
Hardly a Harley-Davidson.
It's still a motorcycle, you still ride,
Yeah.
that's all that matters.
Exactly. Yeah. But when I moved up, man, I was just like in love with, I understand. I understand.
You get it. Once you get one, you get it.
Yep.
Yeah. No one gets a tattoo of a Honda, but no one gets a tattoo of a Harley.
Exactly.
There's a reason for it.
There's a reason for it.
When you make yourself at home, look around. My name is GC. If you haven't been.
Okay. Appreciate you, my friend. As you can see, this is a beautiful color. I don't think I've ever seen this color before. Let's see if you can appreciate that color. It's like a brown burgundy color. Goodness, smart as nice. I like that color. 114 motor. Here's this is your ultra limited. Hummock is nice. Big old bike. Saddle bags. The travel kit in the back. Probably fit about 2 helmets in this bad boy. And some more room. It's nice. Got the big updated boom system. The boom screen. This hummock is nice. And remember, whenever you come to a motorcycle place, please do not sit on your motorcycles. Please don't. It's nice. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, I like this color. This color is just like incredible. Ooh, I love this color right here. It's more like a cranberry color. The one I was looking at Youngstown dealership. It has like a 3-tone with the pinstripe cherry red. Updated alligator or crocodile skin seat. Big old seat in the back for the lady. Nice. Nice. Here's another one. The same color, but this is the Road Glide Limited. What color is that? It's crimson. Crimson is the color. These bikes are the 114 motor is liquid cooled as opposed to air cooled. And you can see right there is the radiator. So it acts as twofold purpose. Radiator as well as wind protection. Nice. Tour pack in the back. Heavy bikes. Heavy bikes. So once you get going, the bikes are well balanced. You ain't got to worry about too much falling down or anything like that, but you do have to be able to hold them up. So if you weaken the knees, I advise not to get a big bike like this, especially if you're gonna have a passenger. But practice makes perfect, for sure. It's nice bikes. Nice bikes. Real nice bikes. This is a nice bike. Nice price. Updated handlebars. Silver. I like this. It's 2018. I like this. Looks like you got the removable tour pack on there. These right here. It's your tour bike. Tour pack brackets. So you can put it on and take it off once you get to your destination. Ooh, let me see these. Look at these rims. If you ever second guess yourself, always bet on black. Ooh, look at the rims. I like these rims. Rims is nice. It's a nice place. Get the whole. All right, guys, let's go to the checkout. I think Mama's ready to go.